Hi guys, welcome back to Car Crackers and another episode of the Perfect Car to Drive today. So today, we've got pretty sort of miserable rainy weather. The car that I'm choosing today is technically for someone's birthday, but the car it would also be perfect for these conditions. Sliding sideways, getting the back end out around gravel rally stages. Let's give it an idea. So today it's actually the birthday of Ari Vatanen in 1952. So he's driven, like I say with a lot of these videos, the certain driver has driven a lot of different disciplines, different cars. In rallying, he drove for Peugeot, the 205 T16. He drove for Opel. He drove Fiestas for Ford. He drove the M3. He drove so many different types of cars, Subarus, Mitsubishis, and I think the most important car for him in his career was his first World Championship, his World Championship in 1981, which some of you might know straight away now. I would try to do this because it's Ari Vatanen in the Finnish accent, but I can't do a Finnish accent. It comes out more like a cheeky Frenchman. So instead, I won't do it in a Finnish accent. I'll do it in my terrible English accent. So the perfect car to drive today is the Mark II Escort RS 1800. Excellent. So yep, the Mark II Escort RS 1800. I definitely think would make a perfect car for today. It's been pretty spitty out there, raining, and to get that back end out, like I said at the beginning of the video, on a nice gravel rally stage, the BDA engine barking. If you've heard of BDA, you can literally just close your eyes and hear it in your head. It's just such a distinctive sound. It's almost like a Cosworth DFV, that just distinctive sound. You can just pick it out from miles away. So yeah, just to be able to manual gearbox, got your open face crash helmet on, flying through the rally stages, your co-driver shouting out all the instructions to you, all the pace notes. Just be a perfect car to drive. Perfect car to drive today. So hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.